Today, I'm sharing how to make perfectly thin and tender, authentic French crepes at home. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup sugar, and half a teaspoon salt. Guys, I ask you to give this video a thumbs up. I will be very pleased. Add 4 large eggs to the dry ingredients and mix until smooth, ensuring there are no flour chunks. I'm very curious what cities my viewers are from. Please take a few seconds and write about it in the comments. Scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl to eliminate any missed flour chunks. Melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add it to the batter. If you have a question about the cooking process, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it. Friends, there are a lot of pancake recipes on my YouTube channel. I suggest you subscribe. Gradually add 2 cups of milk to the mixture, adding 1/3 of the milk first, mixing well, and then adding the rest. Add 1 tablespoon of black rum. For those who like a rich taste, it is better to add 2 tablespoons. Heat a non-stick pan with melted butter over medium heat. Pour a small amount of batter into the pan, swirling it to cover the surface thinly. Cook until the edges show a golden color, then flip the crepe. Cook the other side for 5 to 15 seconds, depending on the desired texture. Repeat the process with the remaining batter, adjusting heat as needed. Pay attention to the heat of the pan as it affects the crepe's texture and caramelization. Adjust pouring and spreading techniques to achieve thin and fine crepes. Enjoy the crepes with your favorite toppings, such as whipped cream, strawberries, biscuits, or chocolate sauce. Store any leftover crepes by wrapping them to prevent drying. Be sure to try this quick recipe for breakfast. I'm sure you'll love it.